Hi, team. So, the online ordering team needs design team's help to set up some pages for sending out previews for existing clients. So, the menu builders are working hard on creating these online ordering menus. We have to put them on a page for the client site without turning the page live yet, so the client can preview it before it goes live. So I'm hoping y'all can help with this. How to do this is we go to the online ordering board and we see this ordering setup column. And then we see some different statuses here. This orange status means that we need a preview page, or the preview page that exists might be in some stage of the setup, and we just want to make sure it's all good to go to send to the client. So what you can do is click in here. If it's gray, it basically means the same as orange, and you should be treating those the same. But you can come over here to preview page needed and click working on it. And that will tell the team that you are working on this page right now. I'm actually going to go back up here to high priority because that would make sense to start with the high priority category. So let's look at Toscano's Italian Kitchen. So here I have it up. And you can see when you click on the globe, they are a live site without the pop menu subdomain. That's how we know that they're live. And you can see that they have some tabs in their navigation. One of them is ordering. They currently have calling for takeout, Grubhub, and no delivery, so they don't have our online ordering system set up yet in their navigation. You can see here Toscano's Italian Kitchen. They do have an online ordering page already. If you don't see an online ordering page, in most cases you might not, go ahead and set one up. You can call it online ordering, order online, something to that effect. And you'll set up this page. Now, in order to get the online ordering section type, you will have to enable online ordering. So that is down here under settings, advanced, and you will want to check online ordering beta. This will turn on the shopping cart and enable online ordering usage. Once that's checked, then is when you can come over here to the website and add a online ordering section. From there, you can click Manage Ordering Menus, and you're going to want to turn on online ordering, and you'll want to see which menus are going to be enabled for online ordering. Sometimes it's going to be a completely separate menu, sometimes it's going to be the normal menu. Hopefully in the ticket there's some information about that. So I'm going to assume it is the takeout menu because there is no other menu here. Otherwise, we probably need to ask. We can leave a note in the ticket itself like you normally would, but I'm just going to go ahead and guess that it's this takeout menu, and then it will show up on our online ordering page. So let's go back to the online ordering page. We can view the page to see the page without linking to it from the navigation. So it's still not linked from the nav. We're not going to do that until they're ready to go live. But here is our online ordering menu. Okay, so we have their online ordering menu set up here. The last step for us to do would be to make sure that it all looks okay from a design perspective. This looks pretty good to me. Sometimes from a menu view, if under settings, columns, it's set to anything besides default, it's going to override the single column forced for online ordering. So basically, if it looks too smushed, that can happen with next layout and 2 or more columns with online ordering. If it looks smushed, just come back in here and set it from whatever it's set on to back to theme default 1. And that for online ordering menus, for the most part, I think they should be in one column like this, and they will automatically do that unless it's overridden over here in the menu. If there's a menu texture, you can add it. For example, on this menu, it's this red texture behind the menu. You can add it. It's going to also show up behind the online ordering module, so then you'd have to add a background color to the online ordering module with CSS. I'm probably just going to leave this for now unless the client says otherwise. It would differentiate it from the menu anyway, which could be a good thing, so customers aren't getting confused on the website. And so then once you give it all a look over, make sure everything looks good. You have the page set up, you have the section set up. You're not going to add it to the navigation yet because they're not going to be ready to go live yet until the client previews it. So someone else will do that. So your work here is done, and you are just going to come over here and switch it to preview ready. And that will tell whoever is working with the client on this that this site is ready to go. If you have any questions about this, please reach out. I'm happy to answer them. Thank you so much for all of your help.